these are the steps on how to renew your Unipass certificate. So we're just going to do this on Google Chrome. However, the steps for Microsoft Edge are very similar. So to start off, just go to the Unipass website and select the option for My Account at the top right. And you'll be asked to either log in using your Unipass certificate or with your manual credentials. So we'll just select username and passphrase. And we'll just manually enter our credentials here. So the username or email in the first box and the passphrase in the second. And then log in. And as you see here, it says renew my certificate. So just select that option and click on the box collect my certificate. This is going to give you an auto-generated password, which you just need to highlight and copy and then continue. Following that, a download should appear at the bottom left of your screen, as it shows here. Or if it doesn't appear at the bottom left, if you click on the three dots at the top right, you can click on Downloads and it'll appear at the top there. Either way, when you select that certificate, it will appear with the option for the import wizard. So just leave it as current user and click Next, Next again. And then it's going to ask you to input that password that was generated to you before. So just paste that in. If you haven't copied that password, or if you don't have that now, the password does appear in this dark blue box here, and you'll have your own password on your screen. Under Import Options, click on Mark this key as exportable and Next. Automatically select the certificate store and then Finish. And it will say the import was successful. Now all you need to do is completely close down your browser, and when you reopen it, you'll have the option to use your certificate.